In this video, we're going to show how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. It's important to follow every step to get this to work, so make sure you watch the whole video. Since Toncoin is not listed on Binance for trading and services, we need to swap Ton to USDT in the Tonkeeper app first. Do this by selecting Swap, then choose to swap Ton with USDT and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Once the swapping is done, select the Send button. Here you'll see that an address is needed, and in our example, we will use Binance. Open the Binance app. Select Deposit. Search for USDT and select it. Now we need to select the correct network, and this one is important. Scroll down until you find Toncoin and select it. First, copy the address. Switch to the Tonkeeper app and paste the address. Go back to Binance and copy the USDT memo. Open Tonkeeper and paste the memo you just copied from Binance into the required comment field. If you're sure you've copied the right info, select Continue. Change from Ton to USDT and specify how much you want to send and select Continue. If everything looks correct, select Confirm and Send. If you want to withdraw money for the USDT you just sent, select P2P in the Binance app. In here, select Sell, choose the currency you want to receive, and USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Now you just need to enter the amount you want to withdraw, proceed, and enter your bank details when prompted. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to arrive in your bank account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.